So we were working on this Asus motherboard, and it was consuming directly after connecting my DC supply. It was consuming directly 90 milliamps, which is unusual. So I tried to change this. Let me show you this, our DC to DC converter IC, but nothing changes. As you can see, this is our IC I have removed right now. And again, these are some pads. This is pad for 3.3 LDO, this is pad for 5 volt LDO. So let me show you first. Just I have connected my DC supply, and it is ground probe is connected to my motherboard, and let me inject voltage on 5 volt point. As you can see, I have injected on 5 volt point here, but there is no any kind of reading change, means we don't have any kind of shorting related issue in 5 volt line. And let me connect to 3 volt line over here, and as you can see, it's checking 452 milliamps, which is unusual. So I have checked this motherboard, and let me show you something. Okay, this is my thinner. Let me pour some thinner on this. Okay, I have poured some thinner on our IO, as you can see, and let me injected voltage, and it's taking quite ampere. I think I have poured more alcohol, that's why it's taking too much time. Okay, as you can see, there are some bubbles coming over here. Let it evaporate so you can see properly. As you can see, okay, as you can see, I have removed pointer right now. Okay, let me spread this. Okay, just connecting my point, connected, and as you can see, it's taking 450 milliamps, and this is hitting, means our IO has gone. That's why our motherboard is not powering on. And one more thing, this IO is reprogrammable. If I buy new IO and I replace with here, and it is not going to work, our motherboard will not power on until and unless this IO has been programmed. So this is just a simple case how to find short circuit in this Asus motherboard. Thank you.